The different types of information technology jobs available. Web designers. Web designers are responsible for creating websites, while graphic designers work on images and other visual content that appear on a website. Computer hardware technicians. Computer hardware technicians help manage different kinds of software applications in computers and troubleshoot any issues with hardware components. They also provide assistance to computer users when they have problems with hardware or software. Programmers. Programmers also create and maintain software applications for various industries, such as banking, retail, education, travel, and healthcare. As the world is becoming more reliant on technology every day, there are many different types of information technology jobs available to suit a variety of interests and skill sets. If you enjoy working with computers and technology, there are plenty of opportunities to develop your skills in the field of it. Aside from the jobs mentioned above, there are also other opportunities related to technology, such as investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are a new type of investment that has the potential to change the world. To protect these investments, we need to invest in their security. In the case of cryptocurrencies, consider purchasing a hardware wallet or two. Since there are many out there, here's one that we highly recommend for you. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Protect your cryptocurrency with peace of mind from Ledger wallets. Their top-notch safety measures turn digital asset insecurity into a thing of the past, so don't gamble on security, go for total protection. Check out Ledger wallets today. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, check out our previous video.